I'm Marilyn Blackmore. I'm from the Philippines, but I came from to United States 2008. I married an American. I'm diabetic. When I had my mammogram, so the doctor advised for biopsy. I was crying the whole day, even when I was in the Philippines, but I'm a fighter. I said, my God, is this the end? Narinig ko nga itong JC Barley. Sabi lang, try it. I heard that it's anti-cancer. Meron akong sensor na pag-check ng blood sugar ko. What have you been doing? You lose weight, and then your blood work turned normal, and my A1C went down. I'm taking barley. Food supplements from New Zealand. It's organic. Ang barley, para na ako makatabang jud. Makatabang kay diabetic ko, nag-lose weight ko. Akong ikakuan ninyo, try our JC Barley.